Alrighty kids, I look naked today, but I'm not. I'm wearing a nude bodysuit, so I guess sort of looking naked. But anyways, that's not the point of this video. So, you guys know I'm obsessed with sparkles, and recently I've just decided I want to put chandeliers in literally every single lighting fixture in my home. So I thought it'd be fun to go ahead and try and make one of my own because chandeliers are very expensive. Who knew? So without further ado, here we go. Making fancy crystal chandeliers, broke bitch style, of course. Alright, so we have to run downtown really quick to pick up some goodies for the project. But for now, of course, as always, here is my outfit of the day. Which actually this mirror is not that great for showing it because you can't see my feet. But anywho, so we've got the nude bodysuit, which really makes me look nude. We've got some matching silky pants. Oh, these are so fun. Ooh, I'm like Jasmine. Shoes you can barely see. We got the nude Yeezy inspired shoes. And voila, there we go. The whole look. Onward ho. It's Benjamin!
Hey guys.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Yes, I'll be the one who's gonna start it, huh?
So, Benjamin, today we are making a chandelier. So we need some crystals.
Sure.
You got the hookup?
You know I'm trying. Right there, right behind you, all kind of.
Oh, I see them.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at all the trays of sparklies. I have loved these trays for like years and years, but I've never gotten to actually use them. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna get a lot of these because, well, who knows how many I'm gonna need. So we'll just take a couple of trays of these and head out. Alrighty, we got the goods.
Goody goody.
Thank you, thank you. See you soon. Onward ho. Alrighty, so it's actually the next day, which explains my different hairdo and different top. So it's actually the same top in black. Anyways, who cares? So, are you ready to see the materials? Great. So for Benjamin, I went ahead and picked up a couple of trays of crystals. These are like 20 bucks a tray, I think he said. Also got some crystal chains to add to our little collection of crystal ingredients. We're gonna need some little connectors. I'll show you how to use those in a second. Of course, you can't just build a chandelier out of crystals. You're going to need what's called a chandelier frame. You can get those online for just a couple bucks, but you can see they look like this. You can see it's just like a little silver rack with a contraption on the top, some little press-on hooks, and that is really all we're going to need to get started on this project. So, let's get started. Alrighty, option number one is to completely start from scratch and build your own. I'll be honest, the first one is the least practical, but here is how you do it. So for this one, we're going to need the crystals, the chandelier frame, and the little attachers. So all you do for this one is you can see the frame looks like this, and there are little teeny holes in it. That is where we're going to attach the crystals. So you can see we have the crystals, which also have holes in them. You can go ahead and put the little metal bracket in there to kind of bend it onto each other to make it stay. Then you can individually attach all of the crystals onto the little holes until the entire thing is covered with the crystals. Ta-da! You can see that is kind of how chandeliers are built. Now, if you want the chandelier with layers, you can also buy extra layers to the chandelier frame, do the same thing, and then using a little metal wire, you can attach them all together. And by using various sizes of the chandelier rings, you can go ahead and see they're layered to create kind of that drop look. Raindrop, drop top, chandelier is in a crop top. That is not the words of the song at all, but who cares? So, much easier option, buy one. They're cheap on Wayfair and Amazon. You can get them for like 50 bucks. You can just hang them right in front of your light bulb. You can see in my old closet I did that. Ta-da! Just right in there with a hook from Target, and it looks pretty great. It's a solid illusion. Looks great. You'd never know. Important tip though, this one is not hardwired to go into the ceiling for actual lighting, so this one is really just purely for decoration. But if you want one for actual lighting, you're gonna have to go ahead and order one that actually gets hardwired electrically into the ceiling. So this brings us to project number 2, which is much more practical. So for this one, you need a chandelier that hardwires into the ceiling for actual lighting. I went ahead and bought a cheap one on Overstock, so you can see this one even has like a little black frame already around it, and this will actually hardwire right into the ceiling. So it will actually light up like this one. Great. This is where I'm gonna hang them, by the way. This is my closet, so I have 2 little boring lights in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the chandeliers right there. So anyways, let's get started. So in addition to the fancy frame, you need some brackets. What else? More crystals! The same strands from before, and any other fancy crystals will do the trick. This particular chandelier actually came with really cheap, ugly crystals, which is really hard to tell the difference on camera, but I'm telling you, there's actually such a big difference in person that the expensive crystals actually cost literally thousands of dollars more than the cheap ones. So, If you want to just buy a cheap chandelier for the frame and the hardwired lighting with the plastic crystals and just replace them with the nice ones yourself, that's a fun broke bitch tip too. So to start this project, we have the little chain of the crystal with the bigger dangly crystal on the bottom. And we're going to go ahead and take the little metal brackets, and you can see you can just loop them through the respective holes of each crystal, boop, boop, and then bend them on to attach them together. So you can see that is now connected. So now where all the little holes are in the frame, you just want to go ahead and hook the crystals right into there. Like you can see, our little chain comes with a hook on the top already. So you can just go ahead, slip that right through the hole, and tighten it up. Boom. Perfect. So ta-da! You can see it's hanging on there now. Now we're just gonna go ahead and do the rest. Ooh, 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 it's starting to look good. Just go ahead and do the same thing, one by one, until you get the finished product. By the way, I had to get someone to professionally install these, so I filmed this part on a different day, but flash forward in time really quick. And voila! Oh, you can see they look so pretty in here. Oh, just gorgeous. By the way, I'm just standing on this little thing and I'm like terrified I'm gonna fall down, so we're just gonna safely hop off this. Okay. Anyways, and of course, we're saving the best for last. Here is how you would make a crystallized lamp. For this one, you're gonna need the same ingredients. We need the crystals, we need the strings of crystals, and then this one is where we're going to use the hooks. You can also use command hooks. Those are a little bit stronger than this. So this is a lamp that I already have in my room, but I thought it'd be fun to go ahead and add some crystals to the bottom. So we are going to do it that way. So what you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and press the hooks all around the perimeter of the lampshade. You can see you just press them on, boop, perfect. Once you have them kind of spaced around, it doesn't really matter where you put them, you're gonna go ahead and take the long strands of crystals and you can kind of loop them like a Christmas tree, hooking them right on like that, ta-da, until they kind of create a little royal drapery effect. Once you have those all settled in, you can kind of just have fun with it. You can customize the design, you can do anything you want. There's round crystals, there's square crystals, there's those whatever crystals that I got. Literally anything that you want to do, you can make it all your own. We're just gonna go ahead and drape them on the center of the lamp like this. You can add a couple more, you can put some crystals on the sides of it, in front of it, behind it, on the top, on the bottom, whatever so pleases you, until it all kind of creates whatever effect that you're looking for, like this. Ah. I've actually never tried this before. This looks even better than I thought. Wow. And that is how you create your own little glamorous chandelier lampshade. So there you have it, you guys. That is how I made my very own crystal chandeliers. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, any questions, comments, concerns, I'll be directed at Amber Scholl on Instagram, Twitter, and that's it. So anyways, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for lots more fun nonsense. I will see you guys next time. I love you guys. Go make your houses sparkly and extra fabulous. Kisses till next time, my sweet, beautiful baby angels. XO. So many extra crystals. Whatever will I do with them? A crystal weave necklace? Oh, perfect. Oh, look.